You never there for that lounge. I'm telling you.
We don't need down. We be no need down. I always
Based on God. We were on God.
Oh God, no my way. Hey, come on. Fuck.
Hi guys, you're welcome back to your favorite channel, Nigerian News and Entertainment. See what V Neo were caught doing last night after reaching the final. V and Neo, two of the finalists in the BB Naija lockdown show, were caught on camera last night kissing passionately after they cemented their places in the last five.
Kiss and well, Gary. Kiss and well. Now use them well.
Yeah, they're very smart.
Very smart.
Very smart type of smart.
Mad couples just manipulated 5 or 6 elders. Very loud. Yeah, they increase the volume of the kiss. Let's hear the sound. They drink each other's mouth.
Neo, V and Nengi yesterday secured their places in the grand finale of the BB Naija Season 5 show. Nengi, a 20-year-old Bayelsa-born, got a spot in the finale after she won the Head of House challenge. However, the only lovers left in the house, Neo and V, on the other hand, escaped nomination for eviction this week. V had earlier described the development as miraculous, promising to stand by Neo always. Both housemates, obviously the only surviving relationship in the lockdown house, were seen holding tight and locking lips as a way to celebrate their success. So guys, what do you think about Neo and V nomination? Neo and V escape from nomination? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.